I suck at finances, family and relationships. This is my wheel of life. Watch this video to make one for you as well. Life में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, career, personal development, relationships, family finance और पता नहीं क्या क्या. And बहुत कम ऐसे concepts होते हैं which help us in mixing all of these together. The Wheel of Life is one of those. The Wheel of Life or Life Balance Wheel is a self-assessment tool invented back in 1960 which helps you in understanding where you might need improvement. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनका finances बहुत अच्छा होता है but they suck at their family relationships. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि वो इतने ही सेल्फ ऑब्सेस्ड होते हैं अपनी ग्रोथ के साथ कि वो और किसी चीज़ के बारे में ध्यान ही नहीं देते हैं. वो नहीं अपनी फैमिली के बारे में सोचते हैं, नहीं अपनी हेल्थ के बारे में सोचते हैं. एंड कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो सिर्फ मस्ती और खेलकूद में ही अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी निकाल लेते हैं. This is not a balance or a successful life. You might have money but you don't have peace, or you might have peace but you don't have money. In order to live a balanced life, you need the wheel of life. In the movie ये जवानी है दीवानी, बनी एक बहुत ही fun loving happy go lucky लड़का था. He was also very focused on his growth and career. He was so focused that he did not even pay attention to his family or his friends. वो इतना ज़्यादा obsessed हो गया था अपने वर्ल्ड टूर एंड जर्नलिज्म से कि उसको अपने फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, कंट्री सब छोड़ के वो अपने करियर के पीछे चला गया. इफ बनी वुड हैव मेड अ व्हील ऑफ लाइफ फॉर हिमसेल्फ, ही वुड हैव हैड दीपिका वे अर्लियर, बिकॉज उसको समझ आता कि ही सक्स एट रिलेशनशिप, फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली. द गोल ऑफ व्हील ऑफ लाइफ इज टू मेक योर लाइफ मोर बैलेंस्ड. सो हाउ डू यू मेक अ व्हील ऑफ लाइफ? Choose your value points. For me, the value points are contribution to society, business, career, finances, health, friends and family, romance, personal development, fun and creation, and spirituality. It can be same or different for you. Write down your value points and use them to create the wheel of life.
Make a circle, make 9 lines for 9 value points. If this is 0, this is 10. Rate yourself out of 10. For example, if this is finance, I rate myself 2 out of 10. Similarly, rate yourself for other stuff. Join these lines and you will have your wheel of life.
You can clearly see that I suck at finances, relationships and family. Now that I know where I suck, the next thing for me is to improve on these things. And to improve in all of this, I need to take action. So I will write down 3 things each I need to do in order to improve. For me, I can improve my finances by getting a job, getting more freelancing clients, saving more money. I can improve in relationships by joining dating apps, going on dates, and finally, I can improve my relationship with my family and friends by spending more time with them and valuing them more. Now that you know where you suck, it's time for you to take action. It's time for you to create your wheel of life, understand where your life is not balanced, and then take action. Bunny took action by leaving his job and choosing love. He balanced his personal life by sacrificing his professional life. I have written down the things that I need to improve on. It's time for you to do the same. But before that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel and comment as well. And also don't share to forget this wheel of life with your friends.